Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I was about to wash my hair this morning and then I realized I don't have enough deep conditioner to, for my deep conditioning process. And every time I wash my hair, I like to, I think it's necessary to deep condition my hair immediately after shampooing. So I was like, okay, so now what? Then now when I looked at my stash, I realized I had like remnants of of the 3 deep conditioners I normally use. So I use the ORS hair mayonnaise, the Mosara deep something, and the Sad Organics treatment mask. So I looked through them and I barely had like anything in them. So I was just like, you know what, they're all deep conditioners, so let me just see if I can use like all 3 of them. Yeah, so of course I didn't just go into this blind. I did look at the ingredients and I realized there's some common components in all 3 of them. Things like aqua, obviously, which is just water, which is the base of most hair products. And then there was vegetable glycerin, which is also a good humectant for drawing moisture into your hair. And then there was citric acid, avocado oil, and some weird chemicals like sodium benzoate that were similar across all 3. Basically what I'm saying is like these 3 deep conditioners had a lot of common ingredients in them, so I didn't see how this could go wrong. After rinsing out my hair and undoing my twists, this is how my hair is looking like. I don't think you guys have ever seen my hair in its shrunken state. My hair shrinks a lot, like more than 50%, but I don't have a problem with that because that just means my hair is healthy, I think, yeah. So this is how it's looking. My hair feels amazing, just like it normally does whenever I use just one of the deep conditioners I normally use, so I'm not too worried about that. I mean, look at that shrinkage. Anyway, so this is my natural curl pattern, because most times whenever I'm on here, I just have my hair in a stretched hairstyle or in a stretched state. So right now I'm just going to seal it and stretch it. That's it. I guess it didn't backfire. I didn't leave all my hair on the bathroom floor, so I'm happy. And I still got my hair deep conditioned, and now I can officially go and buy new products because I'm out. I then sealed my hair using the lock method with olive oil as my oil and shea butter as my cream, and then stretched it overnight in braids or matutas. Then the next morning I just undid the matutas, fluffed my hair a bit and styled it. That's it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I've missed wearing my hair out. Like, I can't remember the last time I wore my hair out, so yeah, this feels kind of new to me. But anyway, I'm gonna try my best to wear my hair out for the next like week, okay, the next 2 weeks, and then we'll see how that goes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe if you haven't, and click on the bell thing next to the subscribe button, so it's the notification bell so that you're notified anytime I post, so that you don't miss any new videos. So until the next one, bye.